I'm Jonathan McKinney, and I earned my master's degree in Information and Communications Technology from University College. I'm a program manager for a company called Travelport. Listing University College degree really helped me get my foot in the door in the IT field here in Denver. University College was a really great program. The fact that I could work full-time, continue to gain experience, and then come to classes in the evening from 6 to 9, yeah, they were long days, but what I was learning in those classes was actually correlating directly with what I was doing in the field. I was learning about software development, I was learning about project and program management, I was learning about product development. When people see the degree and they recognize that I put a lot of hard work into it, I think a lot of people assume that he's also going to put hard work into this company. He's working to better himself, therefore he's going to work to better the company. If you want to take your career to the next level, if you want to have more autonomy, if you want to get plugged into a community that will benefit you not just for a couple of years, but maybe for the rest of your working life, and make lifelong friends and lifelong associates that can help your career, I would say that it is worth the time and the effort. The return on investment is more than you can possibly imagine.